Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lemon juice in Preethi Zodiac, updated. Add 6 peeled lemons and 200 ml cold water to the Preethi Zodiac jar, secure the lid tightly, and pulse on low speed to break down the fruit. Pause, scrape sides, and continue on medium speed until smoothly blended. Pour through a fine strainer into a pitcher, pressing solids to extract full juice, then chill briefly and stir before serving. Start with short pulses to protect the Preethi Zodiac motor and to prevent excessive heat which can bitter the juice. Use 3 to 5 quick pulses, then run the blender on medium for 20 to 30 seconds, checking consistency. Stop and scrape the jar walls once, then blend briefly again if needed to release remaining juice. This method keeps the flavor bright and avoids over-extracting pith, giving a fresher tasting lemon juice. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which is great for hands-free timers and music while you cook, and check the description for the link and other deals. It's a small upgrade that makes kitchen time more fun and efficient. Now let's get back to the video. Pour the blended lemon mixture through a fine sieve into a bowl, pressing the pulp gently to extract maximum juice without bitter oils. Taste and sweeten with 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey if the acidity is too sharp, stirring until dissolved. Dilute with chilled water or soda to your preferred strength, serve over ice, and garnish with lemon slices or mint for a refreshing presentation the whole family will enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.